Hours to go for counting in Maharashtra, and the cash for votes controversy continues to snowball. Vinod Tawde, who is at the centre of that massive controversy, has sent a legal notice now to Congress leaders. Tawde has issued a notice to Rahul Gandhi as well as to Congress chief Kharge, claiming that false and baseless charges were levelled against him. Listen in to what the BJP General Secretary had to say.
महाराष्ट्र विधानसभा चुनाव के एक दिन पूर्व कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी, कांग्रेस के नेता राहुल गांधी जी और कांग्रेस के प्रवक्ता सुप्रिया जी, इन्होंने ये वक्तव्य किया कि नाला सोपारा के चुनाव क्षेत्र में एक होटल में विनोद तावड़े 5 करोड़ रुपया बांटते हुए पकड़े गए। इस प्रकार का झूठ, जो वहाँ चुनाव आयोग और पुलिस को कुछ मिला नहीं, उन्होंने मेरे बारे में कहा और इसलिए मेरी बदनामी आप लोगों ने जानबूझकर की है। और आज मैंने उन तीनों को नोटिस जारी किया है और इस नोटिस में मैंने कहा है कि आप इस बदनामी के लिए पब्लिकली मेरी माफ़ी मांगे या फिर आगे की कोर्ट की कार्रवाई को आपको सामना करना पड़ेगा।
Let's bring in Piyush Mishra, who's joining us live from Mumbai with more details. So on this, Piyush, big escalation as Vinod Tawde now has claimed that all false, baseless charges were levelled against him, and so he sent across a legal notice now to the Congress. Any reaction that's coming from the Congress on this?
Well, Akshita, as of now, there is no reaction coming in from the Congress party, but Vinod Tawde has decided to send a legal defamation notice to senior leaders of the Congress party, including Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi. Remember that he has also spoken to media where he has mentioned that just a day before assembly polls in Maharashtra, 3 big leaders of Congress party came out and they levelled baseless allegations against him, which has damaged the reputation of not only him as an individual, but also of the party which he belongs to. Remember that the leaders had pointed out that around 5 crore cash, that Vinod Tawde was seen distributing around 5 crore cash in a hotel, and we had also seen as to how there was a lot of furor after the video which was circulated where Vinod Tawde was gheraoed by workers of different political parties. Remember that police had also taken cognizance of that and had also filed FIR in this entire case, but now Vinod Tawde in the defamation notice has mentioned that all these allegations were fake and baseless, and that is why he is sending defamation notice to Rahul Gandhi, Supriya Shunate and also Mallikarjun Kharge, demanding an unconditional apology in Hindi, English and Marathi newspapers within 24 hours, failing to which he will further move and then initiate criminal proceedings against them, and also will seek compensation of 100 crore rupees as the damage of his reputation.
100 crore legal notice being sent across by Vinod Tawde to the Congress, saying in 24 hours, if an apology is not publicly put out, he wants this to be published in every single daily, Hindi, English and Marathi dailies, and is saying that if that's not done, we will go ahead and move forward with this legal notice. Thanks, Piyush, for joining us with those details.